AI videos have been generating tons of incomes to people that are actually in the faceless niches. So I wonder why you are yet to start one today. Or maybe you intend starting one, but there's one problem you are facing. It's actually the AI tools you use to start generating such videos. Because most tools you find out there, after using the free credits that you'll be entitled to once you register, they will subsequently they want you to either upgrade to a paid plan, and of course you have no money, and that's the problem you're facing. Don't worry, I got your back in this video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create AI videos for a YouTube Shorts channel completely free. Of course, you use this unlimitedly for free for as long as you want to start creating your videos. The good part is that you can use the same videos on your TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. Of course, they work perfectly because they are all in the same ratio, which is the 9 to 16 aspect ratio. So hold up, I've not talked about the app, but the good thing is that you actually have that app in your phone. And which app are we going to start using to create AI videos for free? It's no other app than the YouTube app. Yes, the YouTube app, and of course, I'll be showing you how to do that. We'll generate videos right now for you to see, and of course, start uploading them on your YouTube Shorts channel, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok page, whatsoever. So let's jump into it right. But before we kickstart the tutorial, Chibuzagwa is my name, and of course, Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. It's a YouTube channel that is dedicated to technology, and it's a tutorial-based channel, which simply means I bring up tutorials that will make life easy for us on a day-to-day basis. So if you want to be part of this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up my next tutorial video. Like I said, all related to technology. It's actually an educational channel, so I see no reason why you shouldn't be part of the channel. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. So now let's jump to the phone view of this very phone I'm holding, and I'll show you how to start generating AI videos for free for your YouTube Shorts channel. This is my YouTube app, which you can see is a mobile version, and this is my YouTube app. So the next thing you do now is to hit the plus button. That's looking at the icon below. You hit the plus button, which signifies you want to either actually start a live or create a post or maybe create a YouTube short video. So we tap on the plus button, and just like I said, the options for videos, shorts, live will show below. So now I want to create a short, and of course, as you can see, it's in the short view. So now, after looking at the short video, next thing you notice is the icon, the Gemini icon at the right corner. If you actually see this icon in your YouTube app, it simply means you can start creating AI videos completely to free. You can create the videos right here on your YouTube app, and of course upload it directly to your YouTube Shorts channel. So now let's see what we'll find there. So let's tap the icon. Like I said, this is the Gemini icon at the top, and we'll tap the icon, and automatically a new platform would open. As you can see, it says AI Playground, which simply means you can do a lot of things right here. There's many AI tools right here. So looking below, you see videos that people have created, and once you tap on the view, you will prompt they use in creating such video. Automatically using one of them, but I think it will be copyrighted if you upload the same video. But you can also tweak the prompt to suit your taste, like all videos created by people out there. So now let's look at what you find above. You see so many icons which you can use. You click on create videos, you can create let's click on the first one, create videos, and let's see what will happen there. Okay, continue. Once you click that create videos, you see lots of prompts already there. Say make me the best friends with the Grim Reaper, blah blah blah. Like I said, these are already pre-made prompts. Make me a superhero stopping world destruction. Once you tap on this, and let's give an example. Let's see which one we'll choose. And make a race car driver winning a Grand Prix. No, so make me a superhero stopping world destruction. Let's tap on this and see. So like I said, the prompt is there. Like if you are familiar with prompts, or if you have already prompts that you generated on maybe on ChatGPT or maybe on any AI platform, be it Gemini and Meta AI, you've generated your prompts, you can automatically paste your prompts here, and once you hit the button, you see the videos will be generated. So but for now, it says make me a superhero stopping world destruction. So let's use this prompt for instance and see what the kind of video it will generate. So I'll just hit on go and send it. As you can see, it's generating 50% already. While generating, if you feel that yes, you don't want the video any longer, you can hit the cancel button below. But let's see, this is a sample video. It's just a tutorial video. Remember, creativity is unlimited. There's no limit to creativity, so you can think from your head, you can be creative and create whatsoever you want, because the AI tool is just there at your disposal. So now let's see, I want us to see the kind of videos it will generate. This is one of the things you can do using that AI playground, which you find on your YouTube app. So it's 9%. I want us to see the kind of video to generate first. If we are good to go with it, of course, I'm not uploading them on this channel because this is not a YouTube short channel, but as in the channel that I've logged in with the app, but I'm just using it as a tutorial for you to see what you can do. Let's see. This is the outcome. As you can see, this video is super cool. Once you start uploading something like this on your YouTube channel, it's limitless. If you don't want to post it directly, let me just if you don't want to post it directly to your YouTube short channel, you can download the video. So if you tap on download, as you can see, the icon below says download. The next icon says next. That means next if you still want to post it here. Now let's go back and see other things we can do. Let's go back. The other things you can do also is how will I put it, photo to video. I think this is what most are using. You can also generate image, but let's see this photo to video option, and let's see let me use one photo in this let's see what kind of video it will generate. So I have so many photos. Let me use this photo of Marcus Rashford and Michael Carrick, and let's see. So now there's a photo. I've uploaded it, or I've selected it, sorry, not uploaded. So as you can see, at the moment Gemini is trying to get suggestions that will fit the video. Suggestion in the sense that the prompts that will actually fit this video. So as you can see, you see the first one says a large trophy suddenly appears between them with loud cheering. The next prompt says the man shake the other hands rapidly, making them spin. I think let's go with the first prompt. So I'll select the first prompt, and if I'm okay with this, and if I still want to tweak it, I will tweak it. But for now, let's just use this because it's a sample tutorial video. So let's generate and let's see the kind of video it will produce at the end. So the video is creating 19%, 37%. Let's just wait and see. And like I told you, all this is completely free. You can generate as much as you can per day. Upload the same video on your YouTube short channel and also your TikTok page, your Instagram reels, your Facebook reels, just one video, and of course you start making money on those various platforms. Once you reach the monetization criteria for each platform, they start generating money. So 99%. Let's see what this video will look like at the end. I can't really wait to see. It says a trophy. I've really forgotten the prompt, but let's see the outcome. So you can't create videos like that. Try something else instead. So let's go back. I think because the personalities involved, as you know, Michael Carrick and Rashford, there are actually how will I put it, popular celebrities, icons. So one thing about AI platforms in generating videos that are related to popular celebrities, especially Google and Gemini, you all know, they're actually being careful in order not to get into trouble, because they will actually give you a warning if you want to go ahead and create such video. Because if let me say a lawsuit comes from any of those celebrities, you are the one that will face it and not them. I think let's keep that for now, or let me use my own picture. Let's see which one do we choose then. Photo to video. Let me use one picture because I'm not well known, and I'm using my picture. I think I have a right to it, but let me use this caricature image of mine. Where is it? Let me just use my picture instead. Let's just see. And now it's trying to create suggestion. Let me wait and see the suggestion it will create. I'm using my very own image, so I wouldn't face any problem, a lawsuit from anybody, because it's my own image. So I think Gemini will. So he said his colorful pattern shirt transform into a glowing neon pattern. Now let's see. Let's select the first prompt and let's hit go. I think it will generate this without even having any issues, because the person involved is myself, and I think I wouldn't have a lawsuit once I misuse my own image. So it's been generating. And if you like this video already, kindly hit it thumbs up. And of course, if you have any questions, go to the comment section, drop your question, I'll answer them. And please watch this video to the end, because I'll be revealing something which I think you should know if you want to start creating AI videos using this feature and using this app, this free tool actually on YouTube. So let's see, 99%. I think it will generate. Hold up. Okay, let me turn on the screen. I think it will. One thing is that the network as internet connectivity at the moment is kind of slow, and that's the reason why the delay. Because the prompt isn't that complicated, it should have worked so fast. So now I think, like I see, the video is audio is on. So the neon lights, okay, are calling out my name tonight. As you can see, I think it's cool. So now we'll go back. I can start hitting uploading this video on my YouTube channel, and I think it will gain traction, and of course I'll start making money. So this is all I want to show you. Now let's go back to the start and let me tell you something you should know. Now, in case you don't find this Gemini icon on your YouTube app yet, it seems it means that the feature is not yet available to you, your Google account, your YouTube account. So all you have to do is to be patient, and with time, of course, it will be available to you. YouTube rolled out availability to most people not so long ago, and of course that's when I got mine, because formerly I didn't have it on my YouTube app. So once you have it on your YouTube app, go ahead, generate videos like this and start uploading them on your YouTube Shorts channel, your Instagram Reels, your Facebook Reels, and of course your TikTok page. So if you still have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comment section before you leave. And if you find this video educative enough, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, and also go to our playlist. You see other how-to's videos, tutorial video, which you can easily learn one or two. Now we've come to the end of this video, so see you in the next one. And of course, share the videos to any friend of yours that wants to start creating AI videos for free to set up their faceless YouTube Shorts channel. So we'll see you in the next one. Chips Zagwa remains my name. I'm blogging for tech is the name of this channel. So bye bye for now.